Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. Ferrara. I'm excited to be back reading with you today. I brought two books with me. My friends at Greenwood and Wilson and Layler all know that I have a parrot, and a parrot's named Toby. And Toby has virtually visited some of the classrooms in the district, and Toby picked out my very first book today. And you'll see why. It's called Grumpy Bird, and Toby can really be grumpy when she wants to. So let's see what happens with Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Look at that. Grumpy Bird is in her nest or his nest with a sign that says, "Do not disturb." When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. Look at that grumpy face. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. "Looks like I'm walking today," said Bird. Bird, walking past Sheep. "Good morning, Bird," said Sheep. "What are you doing?" "Walking," said Bird. "Nice," said Sheep. "I'll keep you company." And look at this. Toby bit this book. That's how grumpy Toby is. Bird walked past Rabbit. "Hi there, Bird," said Rabbit. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," said Bird. "It's no fun." "I could use some exercise," said Rabbit. "I'll walk too." Bird, walking past Raccoon. "Hey, Bird," said Raccoon. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," snapped Bird. "What does it look like?" "It looks like fun," said Raccoon. "I'm coming too." Bird walked past Beaver. "Hello, Bird," said Beaver. "What are you doing?" "Let me give you a hint," said Bird. "You do it by placing one foot in front of the other." "Walking?" guessed Beaver. "I love walking." These pages are so thick. Bird walked past Fox. "Good day, Bird," said Fox. "What are you doing?" "Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing?" shouted Bird. "I'm just walking, okay?" "Okay," said Fox. "Let's go." Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. "Hey, this is fun," said Bird. It's always good to have friends to play with, isn't it? "Come on," said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. "Let's fly back to my nest for a snack." Wait till you see the snack. Can you guess what it's going to be? Look at that snack. And they all did. The end. Now, let's get to the next book. This one is called Be Kind by Pat Zietlow Miller. Tanisha spilled grape juice yesterday. all over her new dress. Everyone laughed. I almost did too, but Mom always tells me to be kind, so I tried. I don't think it worked. I said, "Purple is my favorite color." I thought Tanisha would smile, but she ran into the hall instead. When she came back, snack time was over. She put on her art smock and didn't look at anyone. I almost told Tanisha that art was my favorite class, but I didn't want her to leave again. So I painted purple splotches and added some green until I had a bunch of beautiful violets. While I painted, I thought about Tanisha. Should I have handed her my napkin? Let her borrow my sweatshirt? Spilled my juice so everyone stared at me instead? What does it mean to be kind anyway? Maybe being kind is giving. Making cookies for Mr. Rinaldi, who lives all alone. Letting someone with smaller feet have my too tight shoes, and he might win races in them too. Maybe being kind is helping. Putting dirty dishes in the sink. Cleaning up after Otis, our class guinea pig. He's a messy eater. Maybe being kind is paying attention, telling Desmond I like his blue boots, asking the new girl to be my partner, listening to Aunt Franny's stories, even the ones I've heard before. Dr. Ferrara is having problems with pages today. Being kind should be easy, like throwing away a wrapper or recycling a bottle or saying, "Thank you, bless you." My mom says the quickest way to be kind is to use people's names. "Hey Carla, what's new, Omar? Good afternoon, Rabbi Mandelbaum." Being kind can be hard too. Even when you know what to do, teaching someone something I'm good at is tricky, even when I'm patient. And sticking up for someone when other kids aren't kind is really hard and really scary. Maybe I can't solve Tanisha's grape juice problem. Maybe all I can do is sit by her in art class and paint this picture for her because I know she likes purple too. Maybe I can only do small things, but my small things might join other small things other people do. And together, they could grow into something big. Something really big. So big that all our kindnesses spill out of our school and spread throughout town. Travel across the country and go all the way around the world. And right back to Tanisha and me so we can be kind again and again and again. And look what Tanisha does. She takes that picture home and puts it in her bedroom. Now, boys and girls, if you like this story, I talked to the library today, and I'm going to give them this book because they don't have one, and then this way you can come and take it out and take it home and read it. So all you need is a library card, and I think everybody in the district knows how to get a library card. And if not, then I think there's a way to find out. I think your teacher will help you. So I hope you've enjoyed Be Kind, and of course, Grumpy Bird. And I will see you all soon. This is always so much fun to read to you. I hope you all have a great afternoon.